Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the one I'm about to see is Septa Regional Rail Line number 2516 from Wilmington, Delaware as the Doylestown local, and it is operated as the Silverliner 5s again, which is I'm about to see. So it should be at Delaware Valley University probably just now, or in probably just about a few minutes. So it should be here in just about a few minutes from now. And speaking as the Silverliner 5, this is my 5th time I'm going to catch this Silverliner 5 set. So, yeah. So, 5 times I'm going to catch this Silverliner 5. I can hear it. It is indeed the Silverliner 5.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing.
Here we go.
Please do not cross the track.
So right now coming is the one I'm about to see. Right now is Septa Regional Rail Line number 2516.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
861, 862, 819, and 820.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
And as it gets to Doylestown, it will convert into 5225, I believe, to Wilmington, Delaware station, but I'm not sure about that. So yeah, so very nice.